Y'all gonna get so tired of seeing my apartment. But I just felt like I had to come and give y'all a finished tour. I finished decorating, I finished cleaning up. I finished it all. So let's see it. So when you walk in here, you got the little hello. Take your shoes off at the door, okay? I got some really nice couch covers from Shein. I got these little prints, cause I didn't really feel like buying frames. So I got those. It says laugh often, smile more, BU. I think it's supposed to go the other way, like BU, smile more, laugh often, whatever, but it's just gonna have to do. Some nice little table mats. Ain't too much to see here. I really am in love with these couch covers. Like, it has completely transformed this space, honey. I'm working on it. Got another little print here. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. We have our office space. Still need to get a chair. I'm working on it. Little calendar. So this is what this room looks like. Let me stop chewing this gum. Cause y'all gonna be like, every time she get ready to do a video, she up here chewing gum. Bathroom, I just got a new floor now. That's it, but everything else looks the same. I'm not gonna turn the light on. Oh, but I'm gonna turn this light on. Look at this, y'all. It like highlights it. Oh, you look amazing. And then here's the bedroom. I got another tapestry here. And I'm working on folding this. Just pray for me. And I got all my little jewelry organized. So yeah, this is it, y'all. It's really nice, it's really fancy, and I love it so much. Now the couch covers is lifting a little bit, but don't look at that part, okay? Don't look at that part. Literally all the restaurants here are just like, look at them. Look at this. It's like, I don't know what the purpose of the metal detector is. But isn't that so freaking cute? Like, oh my gosh. Everybody, this is terrible lighting. Okay, let's try it again. Well, y'all just gonna get what y'all gonna get. I'm getting ready to go get dressed for the yacht trip tonight. Yeah. Whoa, is that how you? Whoa. Okay, so listen, I'm very limited in my outfit options. I said, I'm very limited in my outfit options because it's hot as you know what out here. So we wearing black. Okay, we wearing black. Okay. So let's look at our black options. We got a black and white jumper for the yacht, but it's long pants. So we're gonna think about that. Then we have, why am I screaming? I don't have as many clothes as I thought I did, y'all. I really don't. I'm gonna have to do some more shopping. Okay. Then we have some black pants, some black slacks. We got some more black slacks. To be honest, I'm probably just about to hit them with the black pants. Hold on, somebody ring my doorbell. Hey y'all, I just decided while I was eating breakfast that I wanted to make a vlog about something that I saw yesterday before I forgot. This is like my first instance of seeing like classism or I think it's classism. Classes. Okay, whatever. So basically the waiter bust the trash bag. We were at a restaurant, eating after we did the little Nile River cruise. And the waiter bust the trash bag open, and the trash is leaking, and it's like stuff is falling all over the floor, and he's just standing there. And I'm like, dude, why you not picking up the trash bag? Like, put it in another trash bag. He on the phone. Like, what are you doing? You got the stuff pouring all out on the floor. Pick up the trash. So guess who walks up the stairs to pick up the trash? We're gonna call him busboy, right? The busser. Ask me what color did he happen to be? Very dark, rich skin, rich, beautiful skin, probably like Sudanese. So I peep and I'm like, I mean, I get he's a busboy, but like if you bust a trash can bag and you have customers in here, you're just gonna let it sit here and leak out. So I asked the teacher that we're with, I'm like, why would he just pick up the bag? Like, you literally waited 5 minutes and you could have been handled this. And she was like, oh, it's a class thing. They don't believe that they should have to pick up their trash. What? So you mean to tell me that you could bust the trash bag open and let the trash pour out and the drinks and everything be pouring out on the floor, and you feel like you don't have to pick it up because you a waiter and you not a bus boy or whatever? I ain't like that. What y'all house looking like? Like, yeah, you get a housekeeper, and I have a housekeeper too, but like, you still keep your house up during the week, don't you? I ain't like that. And I know I'm trying to like make it seem like light and fluffy and funny, but I really didn't like that. And I'm not a dark person, like, okay. But when you see it in real time, like, let me not say like I haven't seen racism in America, right? But I ain't never seen that. Like, you just let the trash in the, like, literally juice, food, you just let it just flow. Cause that's beneath your class. Child, I just hope these students
name. So just like in the Greek mythology, Hades, the underground god of the dead, they would take the boat and take the souls and cross over into the underworld. So this boat for the pharaoh is the same thing.
like,
Boom.
You didn't know that?
You got schooled.
And is this the real one? Like, this was buried here at the pyramid?
Buried here under like 14 tons of limestone, the pits down below.
Like, you know, just
Get it?
we're
It's all
here.
history.
We're here, you know, at the like real deal thing. Like,
Okay, we can go up and see from.
that concludes our pyramid day. Now we are headed to the pool. The pool, because it is extremely hot. But we went to the Sphinx, went to all 3 pyramids. Now, I'm gonna keep videoing while we walk past because they're probably gonna haggle us. Like, oh, you want a souvenir? Why not? Why not? Why not? Because I'm gonna just start saying I don't have no money. No. See, that's one. Oh, we might be in luck. We might be in luck today. But the one thing about Egypt is they're very persistent. They want to haggle you all day. So you have to know how to say no. And like, to be honest, the stuff they're selling is probably like stuff that I don't even know, probably had already. Hey y'all, that's all I got. So as you can see, I have a new hairstyle. I got some micro locks installed, micro / sister locks, I don't know, whatever. The tiny ones that I wanted, but not too tiny where my parts look like they don't exist. Today is a new vlog, honey. It is Wednesday and we are going on a school / classroom tour. So y'all know I gotta take y'all with me. Excuse the color of my eyes. Your girl is tired, okay? Tired. So, we're about to wake up. We're about to get it cracking. Let's do it. Okay, y'all, I got like 15 minutes. Really like 30. But I'm gonna try to be ready at 7. But this is just like a temporary schedule. This is not even our real schedule. I think our real schedule, we gotta be up at like then we gotta be at the bus at like 6:30 for training. We don't gotta be to the bus till 7:30. Hold on. Okay, hey y'all. So I'm dressed and ready for work.